you all are fine and very, very good. Yes, I am also fine. Thank you so much. First, we will do prayer. So everyone, please stand up, join your hands, close your eyes, and repeat after me. Om Sahna Bhavatu Sahno Bhunaktu Sah Viryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavaditavastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly open your eyes. So, my lovely children, you enjoy your online studies? Good. Please do reading and writing vocals. Right? Today I am going to explain here the concept of these and those. In our previous lecture, we already learned this and that. The concept of this and that. Now, I am going to introduce here the new concept, these and those. Right? Now see, take out your English grammar book. Everyone, hurry up. Take out your English grammar book and take out this page. Page number 2 at 28. Hurry up everyone, I will give you 1 minute. Our new concept is use of these and those. Use of these. See the pronunciation, it is not this, it is these. These and those. It is a similar concept like this and that. This word is these and this word is those. Okay? These. When we use these, see, these is used for more than one persons or things close to the speaker. When we used these, see, these is used for more than one person, things क्लोज टू द स्पीकर. एक से ज्यादा चीजें अगर आपके पास हो, जब आप कोई चीज बोल रहे हो, कोई चीजें या फिर कोई पर्सन आपके पास हो, तो आपको क्या यूज करना है? दीज. कब? जब एक से ज्यादा चीजें या एक से ज्यादा पर्सन्स आपके पास हो. ओके, नाउ सी दिस. THEAC, these, right, and THOAC, those. These and those. Or same thing, it is happened with those. See, those is used for more than one person's things distance to the speaker. When we use those here, those is used for more than one person, it means एक से ज़्यादा. अगर एक से ज़्यादा कोई persons मतलब व्यक्ति या कोई चीजें आपसे दूर हो, या फिर जो भी बात कर रहा है उनसे वो चीज दूर हो, तो वो लोग क्या यूज करेंगे वहां पे? दोज. क्या यूज करेंगे? दोज. राइट? दीज, दोज. व्हाट इज द राइट प्रोनाउंसिएशन ऑफ दिस वर्ड? दीज, दोज. दीज, दोज. दीज कब यूज करते हैं? जब एक से ज्यादा चीजें आपके पास हो. एक से ज्यादा चीजें, एक से ज्यादा व्यक्ति, पर्सन, इंसान आपके पास हो, तब आपको क्या यूज करना है? दीज. और सेम थिंग, जब एक से ज्यादा चीजें, व्यक्ति आपसे जब कोई इंसान बोल रहा है उससे बहुत दूर ये चीजें होती हैं, तो आपको क्या यूज करना है? दोज। क्या यूज करना है? दोज। दीज, दोज, दीज, दोज। राइट। नाउ आई will explain this. Take out this page, page number 28. I will give you some examples. Now see this. More than one books is here. More than one, it means एक से ज्यादा books हैं यहाँ पे. Yes. So it is. These are books. These are books. Now let me clear here. If here only one book is mentioned, so what we do? We use here this. This is a book, but here more than one books. More than one books. That is why we used here these. These are books. Book is a singular word and books is a plural word. So keep in your mind, when we use these, you have to use plural. Right? These are books. These are books. Now see this, boys. More than one is here. Yes, here two boys is here. These are boys. These are boys. These are boys. Why we use here these? Because here more than one. Here two boys is standing here. Yes. That is why we use here these. These. This is a different and this is a different. Now it is clear? Remember in your mind. Next. These are flowers. These are flowers. Why? Because so many flowers is here. Here only one flower mentioned? No. So many flowers is here. That is why we use here these. These are flowers. These are flowers. Next. See how many cars is here? 1, 2, then 3. 3 cars is here. Now see. These are cars. These are cars. These are cars. Why we use here these? Because here 3 cars. Not only 1 car. Here 3 cars. How many cars is here? 3 cars. That is why we use here these. These are cars. These are cars. Now you understood? Now see the concept of those. Those. When we use those, when more than one things or more than one person is far from you, is distance to the speaker. That is why we used those. When we use those, जब कोई एक से ज्यादा persons चीजें आपसे दूर हो या फिर जो भी बात कर रहा है उनसे दूर हो, तब आपको क्या यूज करना है? those. क्या यूज करना है? those. जैसे this और that का कॉन्सेप्ट है, सेम टू सेम these और those का कॉन्सेप्ट है. these और those में क्या करते हैं? एक से ज्यादा चीजें होती हैं और this और that में, this में कोई भी एक चीज आपके पास होती है और that में कोई भी एक चीज आपसे दूर होती है. Now you understood? Good. Now see the sentence, see the example here. Those are books. Books कहाँ है? बहुत दूर है और एक से ज्यादा है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many books is here? 5 books is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many books? There are 5 books. Right? Those are books. Those are books. Why we use here those? Because it is far from the speaker. It is distant to the speaker. Right? Now see this. 1, 2, 3. How many girls is here? 3 girls is here. It is distant to the speaker. speaker. It is far from the speaker. That is why we use here those are girls. Those are girls. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Those are books. Put your finger here. Those are books. Those are books. Those are girls. Those are girls. Now see this. So many flowers is here. Now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many flowers is here? 5. How many flowers is here? 5. Now see. Here we use these or those. It is far from the speaker or near from the speaker. It is distant to the speaker. It is distant to the speaker. It is far from the speaker. So we use here those. Those are flowers. Those are flowers. Now see this aeroplanes. How many aeroplanes is here? 3. How many aeroplanes is here? 3. Now see this. Those are aeroplanes. Those are aeroplanes. Those are aeroplanes. Now I will give you one more example. See this. What is this? What is this? This is a pen. This is a pen. Now tell me. These are pens. These are pens. Why I used here these? Because it is near from me. It is close to me. That is why we used here these. These are pens. These are pens. It is close to me. It is near from me. Yes. Now see the example. Those are pens. Those are pens. It is distant to me. Yes. That is why I used here those. Why? क्यों बोला मैंने दोज? क्योंकि ये मैम से दूर है और एक से ज्यादा पेन है. सिर्फ एक ही पेन है क्या? नो, एक से ज्यादा पेन है, बहुत सारे पेन हैं, इसलिए यहाँ पे क्या यूज किया? दोज आर पेन्स. एक से ज्यादा है. पेन का प्लूरल क्या होगा? पेन्स. पेन का प्लूरल क्या होगा? पेन्स. अगर एक ही पेन होता तो मैं क्या बोलती? That is a pen. That is a pen. बट यहाँ पे बहुत सारे पेन हैं, तो मैं क्या यूज करूंगी? पेन्स. एड एस करूंगी, उसमें एस को क्या करूंगी? ऐड कर लूंगी. पेन, पेन्स. पेन, पेन्स. Now see this. Those are pens. Those are pens. Those are pens. ये मुझसे दूर है और एक से ज्यादा पेन है, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे क्या यूज किया? those. और पेन के साथ क्या ऐड किया? s. Those are pens. Those are pens. Right? Now I will give you one more example. Now see this. What is this? This is a pencils. Now see. This is a pencil. That is a pencil. Okay. Now see this. These are pencils. These are pencils. एक से ज्यादा पेंसिल्स हैं और ये एक ही पेंसिल होती तो मैम पेंसिल बोलते. एक से ज्यादा पेंसिल है तो मैम क्या बोलेंगे? पेंसिल्स. These are pencils. ये मैम के पास में है, इसलिए क्या यूज किया? These. क्या यूज किया? these. Now listen carefully. Those are pencils. Those are pencils. क्यों दोस्त बोला? एक से ज्यादा पेंसिल है और वो दूर है. एक से ज्यादा पेंसिल है और वो दूर है, इसलिए हमने ऐड क्या किया? एस. बीच में क्या ऐड किया? एस. राइट? समझ में आया आपको? वेरी गुड. नाउ इट इज क्लियर. ओके, open this page number 229. Write down C.W. and today's date. Now we will do this exercise. Right? Page number 29. First we will do this exercise. See, so many apples is here. I'll explain also and I'm telling also. Now I write this. Take out your pencil and eraser. Fill the blanks with. Oh, sorry. Fill the blanks with these, those. Fill the blanks with these, those. What do? You have to fill just only these and those. Now listen carefully. I will give you example also and I am telling you also. See this. More than one apple is here. Apple, apples. Apple, apples. Are apples. It is near to the sentence. See this picture. It is near to the sentence. It is close to the speaker. That is why we use here these. Why we use here these? Because this picture is close to the sentence. ये जो picture है ये sentence के पास में है, इसलिए हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या यूज करेंगे? These. क्या यूज करेंगे? These. Now right here, write the spelling of these. THEAC, these. Done. Now see this. Dash dash are dolls. Dash dash are dolls. Why we use here these or those? Which one we use here? These or those? Those. Very good. Very good. Who tell me? Very good. Those are dolls. Why we use here those? Because dolls is what? Distant to the sentence, distant to the speaker. Dolls is distant to the speaker, distant to the sentence. Why we used here those? Because it is far from the sentence. Right? Dolls कहाँ पे है? Sentence के पास में है क्या? जिससे एप्पल पास में थे? No. Dolls कहाँ है? दूर है, इसलिए क्या यूज करेंगे? Those. Right here, THOSE, those. THOSE, those. Done? Now see these cows. I'll just make short spaces here. dash dash are cows. Full sentence. Done. Dash dash are cows. See, cows is near from the sentence or far from the sentence? See this, cows is near from the sentence and more than one cow is here. That is why we used here these. These are cows. Write down the spelling of these. These are cows. These are cows. Then this sentence. Now next sentence. Dash dash are books. B-O-O-K-S. Full sentence. See, books is near from the sentence or far from the sentence? Books is far from the sentence. Books is far from the sentence. So what we used here? Those or this? We used here those. Those are books. Those are books. So write down the spelling of those. T-H-O-S-E, those. T-H-O-S-E, those. Those are books. Now complete it. Hurry up. Done this. Go to the next. Now I am going to rub this. See. Dash dash are dogs. Full stop. Dogs is near from the sentence or far from the sentence? It is near from the sentence. That is why we used here these. These are dogs. More than one dog is here. So we used here these. These are dogs. These are dogs. Dash dash are cats. Go to the next example. See, cats. It is near from the sentence or far from the sentence? It is far from the sentence. That is why we used here those. Write down the spelling of those. Those are cats. Those are cats. Now done this. See. Last two sentences is your homework. You have to complete this sentence in your homework and send it to the my number. Right? Take a screenshot. Otherwise, take only this one. Okay? Take a screenshot and send it to me. Then this is your homework. Write down the homework, HW and today's date here. And complete it and send it to me. Right? Hurry up. Complete this. Now you understood this concept? Very good. If you have any problem, you just ask me. Okay? I am ready to help you. Just call me. I will give you answer. If you are facing any problem, just ask me. Done? Now bye bye. See you tomorrow. Please take care of yourself. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.